Install lightning wires. Glue and fix. Rotate shafts and the other accessories after installation. Assemble the center drive shaft. Install the front differential and the front shockproof tower. Install the fixed steering gear. Install the steering link. Install the motor. Place rear differential. Brush lubricating oil. Install motor cover. Screw fix. Fixed front swing arm and steering link. Fixed front bumper. Fixed rear swing arm and rear bumper. Fixed shock absorber. Fixed receiving board. Insert circuit board line. Car shell assembly. Check whether the performance of the car is up to standard. Install the car shell